Hey guys, it's JP554731 and I just got another package from Japan. This one, both of them actually were sent by DHL. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open these up for you. These were actually kind of slow. I had them sent out on Wednesday. And usually DHL shipping gets to me in one day, but since it hit the weekend, and I guess these boxes were kind of big. They came to me on October, what's the date today? It's a Tuesday, but I forgot the date. It's probably October 26th or 27th. I can't remember. Well, anyways, I'm going to go ahead and open these kits up. So the shipping for the bigger DHL package was about 7,000 yen. And the smaller one was about 3,000 yen. So the first thing I got was the ground type GM from 8th MS Team. The next thing I got was the Master Grade Shining Gundam from Mobile Fighter G Gundam. The next thing I got was the version 1 Zaku 2 Black Tri-Stars type. I think this is a high mobility Zaku 2. Yeah, it is. You can tell by the boosters on the legs. So it's an MS06R1A. I think it comes with a special 120 figure of one of the Tri-Stars. And the next thing I got was the RX-78-4 Gundam G04. The next thing that I got was the MS-09 Dom Master Grade. The next thing I got was the RMS-099 Rick Gaius mass production colors. And the last thing in this package that I got was the MSM-04 Agai. Let's go ahead and open up the next package. I'm actually getting another package today. It's kind of small, and it's shipped by the U.S. Postal Service. Actually, the other day I was kind of surprised because I saw the USPS truck on a Sunday, and it turns out that Amazon has a deal with the U.S. Postal Service to ship priority mail or Amazon Prime stuff on Sundays. So I thought that was pretty cool. So let's go ahead and open this one up. The next kit that I got was actually a limited production kit. I don't know if they're still producing this, but this is the AEUG color RX-178 Gundam Mark II, and this is the HD type coloring. I think this is the same as the regular Mark II, it's just it has a glossy finish to it. And then the next kit that I got was the RMS 106 Hyzak. What's cool about this kit is that you can actually take out the Hyzak shield and use it, kit bash it onto a Hyakushiki to make the Zeta Gundam, yeah, Zeta Gundam Movie 3 Hyakushiki with the Hyzak shield. And then what you can do with the rest of the kit is you can either scratch build it into a Hyzak custom or the hobby Hyzak. So I actually plan on getting 4 of this kit. I already have 2, including this one. I want to make the Titans color, the EFSF color, uh, a hobby Hyzak, and the a Hyzak custom. Okay, so the last 2 kits that I got. So you're probably wondering why the shipping was so expensive. It's because this came out to be, I believe, more than 10 kilograms. So this is the Zaku MS06F Zaku 2. I plan on, oh actually, I don't think I need anything on this kit. Actually, oh wait, maybe I do. I'm actually gonna take the White Ogre parts. I bought a MS06F White Ogre from Hobby Link Japan, and it had some parts left over. I used it for an SMS Dije kit that I wanted to make, and some of the parts I'm going to put the 3 missile launchers on the left and right leg, and then I have I bought an MS06S Char Zaku version 1.0 a long time ago, and I didn't know that that particular kit is the only way that you can get the Mazella Top Gun. So I want to make the Zaku MS06 HC from Gundam Battle Operation. It has the leg missile launchers and the Mazella Top Gun, or Magella Top Gun, whichever way you want to Romanize it. And the last kit that I got was the MS06S version 2.0 Zaku 2. Now this kit, it's a lot different than the one that I showed you. It has 3 leg boosters and a different backpack as well, I believe. And probably more inner frame as well, a different inner frame on the legs. Yeah, this kit does not come with the Magella Top Gun. I don't know why they didn't include the Magella Top Gun in any of the 2.0 kits. I just thought it was really dumb. But maybe they might make a premium Bandai of it, since they actually made the Garma Zabi custom, and it's coming out this December 2014. And it's the same one from Gundam Battle Operation. And I have a feeling that they will make the Zaku 06 HC, the one that I want to kit bash. And if they do, I'll probably want to get that kit as well, just for the box, and just because it's a premium Bandai kit. So that pretty much does it for this unboxing. That's about 11 kits. I think I paid, with shipping, about 300,000 yen, so that's about $285, which is pretty good. That's a pretty good deal. So once again, in this package, or packages, I got the Shining Gundam, MS06R1A Zaku 2 Tri-Stars, GM Ground Type, the RX-78-4 from Side Stories, a PS2 game, RMS-106 Hyzak, the HD AEUG Mark II, a Nagai RMS-099 Rig Dias, MS-09 Dom, the MS-06F Zaku 2, and the MS-06S Zaku 2 Shars Custom. So, I have another package coming, so I'll go ahead and unbox that. So, see you guys in a couple minutes.